Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Remember that green Thai curry paste that we made last week? Well, today we're using that delicious paste to make a delicious vegetable green Thai curry with jasmine rice and some grilled chicken on the side if you don't want a completely vegetarian dish. Detailed ingredients are in the description box and at the end of the video for you to screen capture and save. Let's get started with a deep pot. We'll put in about half a cup of Thai curry paste, and I know this doesn't look completely green, and that's okay, and that's because I had the earlier batch that I made with red chilies. We'll start by cooking the paste in a cup of coconut milk to bring out the flavors more before we build up the flavors. And I'll let it simmer for 10 minutes in the coconut milk, then I'll start adding more ingredients in, like turmeric powder. Along the way, you'll see that I'll be adding more curry paste as I go, and you may do the same too, because as you go, you get to determine how intense you want those curry flavors to be, and of course you have to taste that to know. Going to add in some lemongrass stalks and some kaffir lime leaves to infuse those aromas and flavors in the curry. Then I'm going to let it simmer. In a separate pot, start cooking your jasmine rice, and I will be posting a video on how to do that in the future because it doesn't cook the same way as basmati rice cooks. I've added in a heaped tablespoon more of curry paste, a cup of water, and a splash of coconut milk more because I have a lot of vegetables to drop in there after all, and also because I've been tasting the curry as I go and I see if it needs any adjustments and adjust as I go. Start adding in your desired vegetables. I have cauliflowers, carrots, and baby corns, which I love. And don't forget to taste for salt and add that in to your liking. I know it may look like I've added in a lot, but as you can see, I've added in some more coconut milk as well to dilute. And I will be adding in some more later on and more water. I've added in a pinch of ginger powder, which you can skip, and some turmeric powder, which you shouldn't skip. Then I'll give it a stir, and I later add in some fish sauce because I feel it gives a nice salty twist, and that you can skip if you really intend on keeping this strictly vegetarian. I've now added in some bokchoy, mushrooms, and snow peas, then quickly check on my rice, which is done at this point. It cooks very quickly, so keep an eye on it. Now, back to the curry. I'm going to keep it on high to medium heat for 10 minutes and leave it to simmer on a lower heat for about 30 minutes. I feel like the longer you leave those flavors to simmer, the better they taste, and you also know when it's done by checking on your vegetables. They still should retain some bite to them and not become complete mush. I've chosen to add some shredded coconuts to the curry just as an experiment and to enhance the coconut flavor for me, but you can skip that step as well. See how my jasmine rice is sticky but beautifully crumbling off? This is how it should be when done. Not soggy and mushy, and not dry and crispy. Before making this dish, I marinated 2 breasts of chicken in a tablespoon of green curry paste, a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a half cup of coconut milk. I didn't intend on filming this, but think of it as a quick bonus recipe. Grill until fully cooked through and serve with a beautiful curry and jasmine rice. The flavors and aromas will definitely transport you to Thailand if you've ever been there before. And you know what? You don't even have to make the green curry paste from scratch. You can buy ready-made ones and still enjoy this dish just as much. Almost just as much. Thank you for making it to the end of the video, and if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. It would be highly appreciated, and if you would subscribe, that would make us ecstatic. Thanks a lot for watching Happy Kitty Kitchen, and have a great day. Bye!